Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Our first reading today takes us back to the mission story of Saint Barnabas, our saint for today. He was sent to Antioch, and we've heard from our reading, he arrived and saw the grace of God there. What followed were, shall we say, different success stories or success stories of mission. People were converted, many joined the faith, people were able to learn about the risen Lord. Barnabas saw the grace of God at that place. Yes, we can say that it's a bit challenging, but he saw God's hands rather than a burden in life. Once more today, we were taken back to that mission sending of the apostles by Jesus. At kung mayroon mang hinimok si Jesus sa kanila ay yung makita din yung kanilang mga gawain na hindi pabigat o problema, kundi nandoon at buhay ang grasya ng Diyos sa kanilang mga gagawin. That they will be visiting people, curing people, meeting people who would not even accept them, and even to the call of detachment. My dear brothers and sisters, when we are asked to do something, what is it that you see? Do you see it as an opportunity of grace or another burden to carry? Marahil po, madami po ang nagsisimba sa atin dito, marahil na promote, ano ho yan, grasya o problema? Marahil pinagawa ng isang bagay, may pinagawa sa atin, grasya o problema? Pinagkatiwalaan, grasya o problema? And to many lists and calling, grasya ba yan o problema? Barnabas and the apostles saw the grace of God rather than a problem. Grasyang hindi isang problema o pabigat. When given another chance, when trusted or when called, may we see God's grace and not another problem or burden. Minsan, totoong may hirap. Minsan, demanding. Sometimes, it calls our energy. But we all know that God's grace is at work and present during those moments. So that when sent, when trusted, when given the chance to work on something, our eyes may not only see another thing to accomplish, another task to do, another check to the list that we have, but always God's grace at work and God's grace helping us to achieve the mission entrusted to us.